So we're going to do the simplest and most humble dish ever. We're going to do a baked potato. But we're going to fill it with pea puree and I'm going to use sweet potato. So I'm just going to wrap her up, stick her in the oven for about an hour and a half. I've got my cleaned, washed sweet potato here. So I'm just going to cut that in half. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out the center with a spoon. So I've got some rapeseed oil here. I'm just going to rub the potato on it, like so. So it has a beautiful little glaze. And I'm going to stick this back into the oven so it's going to crisp up. And the oil is just going to help it to crisp up. So on our baked potato, we have our pea puree, nice and warm. And then in a pan just heated through, I've got sweet potato, carrot, herb and broad beans. So I'm just going to stick them on. Now I haven't done anything to this mayonnaise, it's just gone in as it is.